Select Maxilla mode and add positive or negative markers by selecting Marker Type and clicking on the image or 3D view. Position positive markers in the center of the bone you wish to segment. To maximize performance, ensure all bone regions such as teeth, body of maxilla, maxillary tuberosity, alveolar process, canine fossa, and eminence, coronoids, and chin have at least one marker unless you wish to segment small parts of the bone each time. Inconclusive regions which are in close proximity to other objects and relatively dark regions should be marked with several markers. Place negative markers on any other bone or high-intensity object in close proximity to the desired bone, such as lower teeth, oblique line, coronoid process, and artificial objects that you do not wish to include in the segmentation. Click Apply to execute segmentation and display a preview of segmentation results. After applying segmentation, you may add positive markers to enlarge the segmentation region or negative markers to make it smaller. Click Apply to recalculate segmentation results. Click Set to execute and store segmentation results. Please note that the larger the chosen region is, the longer the time it will take to calculate.